Hi, welcome back to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. This is Gargoyle, and today we're going to do something for a buddy of mine. Recently I did a video called Cali Love, which was a SuperVan, California Cruising SuperVan. This is it. This is the one that I did. As you'll see, this is the original California Cruising SuperVan. You can tell just stickers is a little bit different. It doesn't have white in the clouds. It's got the actual color underneath. And this is a Zamac base. If you look at the Zamac, it'll actually shine up a lot better than this base did. Not that this base did bad, because yeah, it looks excellent. I love it. But what I'm going to do with this, because I had already done that, and because this is only a black wall anyway, I'm not going to put red lines on it. I'm going to keep it a black wall because that's what it is. It's a black wall. I'm not changing it. So I am going to put custom wheels on it. But I do not have King Radio in my fleet livery, so to speak. But when I looked up the King Radio, all it came in was just plain old black with the King Radio on the sides. It's kind of an orangish brown King Radio. So I'm going to customize it. It's my van. I can do what I want, right? So I just recently, I haven't tried it yet, but I just recently got root beer brown Spectre Flame. I'm thinking that with the King Radio, with the rims, it should look pretty damn sweet. So stay tuned and see what I come up with. Let's get this apart. I've already got it drilled out. Apart pretty easy. Let's see here. Crusties of some sort. Somebody got it into something. Not a big deal. Got our Zep degreaser here. Toss it in there. Clean that up. These, like I said, we're going to replace them anyway. They're not in that bad a shape. They're not in great shape either. They're black walls, you know. This is what I'm going to do here. Use my Dremel tool. I'll just cut a little slot right there where things are, so that we can pop both axles out. If you're actually trying to save the tires when you do this, use, say, a titanium grinding drill bit, and you can just grind away that middle part and not have to worry about if you bump into the tire or whatever. I'm not saving these tires, so I'm not really worried about it. Move this and let you guys actually see the wonderfulness at work. Be long enough. Make sure once you pull this out, you actually rinse it off, and preferably in distilled water, but at least your tap water or something to get the acids from the CLR off. Otherwise, it'll keep eating away at the base and end up ruining it. And here we are with the regurgitation juice sprayed on the body. Let's just sit here and watch the time lapse. It doesn't show you a whole lot because there's not a whole lot of paint on here. There's just the decal. But yeah, if you watch, the decal pretty much bubble off, and that's all there is to it. Alright, we're back from the stripper. Got the body all cleaned up. did a zinc coating on it. Now I'm going to do a quick polish on it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get the glass out of the cleaner. This is up to greaser. Quick brush on it. Take this and rinse it off in water real quick. Set this to the side. It'll look a lot better once we give it a dip in the gauzy. Give it a quick dip. Shake the excess off. And you can see how some of that's pooling there. I'm going to shake as much of that off as possible and then touch the tips or the sides of the glass to get any extra off. And just let it sit. Cover it up so no dust bunnies or fuzzies get to it. What before I glue? Let's do the polishing before I glue these. Because I want to polish this base up some more too. I think it would be better. Or I just want to use the flits. Either way, you know, it works.
Vem comigo, vem agora, pros quase a da hora. Cada disputa na tela, sente a luta começa. De olho ligado no mapa. Free fire. No primeiro vacilo é capa. Bate um jogo de experiência. Se liga na sobrevivência. Free fire. De olho ligado no mapa. Free fire. No primeiro vacilo é capa. Vem comigo, vem agora que o squad é da hora. Cada disputa na tela. Assim que a luta começa. Já bate um jogo de experiência. Se liga na sobrevivência. Free fire. De olho ligado no mapa. Free fire. No primeiro vacilo é capa. Vem achando que é fácil, que é mel. Tá pensando que dá pra rushar sem gel. De mestre elite ou desafiante pra mais. O brabo, a lenda não cai. Dia bate um jogo de experiência. Se liga na sobrevivência. Free fire. De olho ligado no mapa. Free fire. Do primeiro vacilo é capa. Vem achando que é fácil, que é mel. Tá pensando que dá pra rushar sem gel. De mestre elite ou desafiante pra mais. O brabo, a lenda não cai.
Now we get it all worked in. That's funny. Always be careful when you're using this stuff. That's hilarious. That's staying in. I could edit that out and not let you see it, but that's kind of the point of these videos, to let you see how I do stuff and mistakes I make, and so hopefully you don't do the same mistakes. So now you just saw that. What I was trying to do was get some of this off of here. By doing that. That's all I was trying to do. And yeah, I let it get caught up in it. Alright, back away.
Já bate jogo de experiência. Se liga na sobrevivência. Free fire. De olho ligado no mapa.
Get the wheels on and get them glued and everything, and then we'll go ahead and get the paint job done. Paint job and decals, and get it all back together. Back momentarily. Okay, I'm back. And yeah, it looks like this body's gonna be pretty shiny for what we're doing with it. I mean, it's got brown over it anyway, so the brown's gonna mute it some, but yeah. Yeah. Let's get the wheels on this. Easy. We're back from paint. Take a look here, see how it looks. Boom. And look at that. Which I do, so it doesn't matter. Alright, let's get this decal on here. Get these cut out. Looks really sharp, doesn't it? Oh, you can't tell from up there, can you? It's because I'm not going to let you see it yet. You got to wait. And we'll be back for our reveal in just one moment. And here we are. One 1975 Hot Wheels custom King radio SuperVan. It's another one to add to my collection. I think what I've decided to do at this point is I'll make every Sunday a SuperVan Sunday for at least the next month or two. So the next, 6 or 8 weeks, I will have a new SuperVan every Sunday. So if you like SuperVans, as I do, it's one of my favorite castings, please, by all means, tune in to see what I come up with. Some of them will be customs, and then the others will be actual redline restorations. So I'll do a little bit of both. But please, if you like, subscribe, hit that like button, click the bell, get all notifications of any future videos, and I hope to see you in the future. But that's all for now. Bye now.